Ready to ditch the headaches of inventory and shipping and launch your own custom merchandise empire right here in the UK? Let's break down how to use Printify in the UK, step by step, so you can start selling custom products online today. First, head over to Printify.com and create a free account. Make sure you select the UK as your region. Once you're logged in, browse Printify's product catalog. They offer everything from shirts and hoodies to mugs and phone cases. Pay close attention to the shipping costs and fulfillment locations. Look for providers based in the UK for faster and cheaper shipping to your customers. Now for the fun part, designing. Select a product and upload your artwork. Printify's mockup generator lets you visualize how your design will look. Adjust the size, placement, and colors until you're happy. Next, connect Printify to your online store. They integrate seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. This lets you automatically sync your products and orders. When a customer buys something from your store, Printify automatically handles the printing and shipping. You don't have to lift a finger. The platform notifies you when the order is fulfilled. And that's it. You're now ready to start selling custom merchandise to customers throughout the UK without ever having to deal with inventory or shipping. Experiment with different designs, products, and marketing strategies to build a successful print-on-demand business.